The next question, Asif from Kashmir, India, he asks, I am a soldier. Can we pray Salah before time, as in the army during Salah time we need to attend PT, offices and other activities of the unit, as we cannot be absent? Salah needs to be offered in its specific time. It is compulsory that you offer your 5 daily prayer in the specific time. So if you are working in an organization, or if you are working in an institute, wherever you are working, you have to see to it that you offer your Salah in the specific time. That is the 5 daily prayers. So the brother, as he has asked the question, that in the army, can you offer the Salah before time or after the time is over? This is not permitted. Offering Salah before the time has started or after the time is over, it is not permitted. You need to offer it in the specific time. And I would request the brother that to ask his head or his authorities to give him a short break. If he's working from 8 in the morning till 5 in the evening, maximum he will need 2 breaks. That is the break of the Dhuhr prayer and the break of the Asr prayer. The break of the Dhuhr prayer, he can very well club it with the lunch. Whereas the break of the Asr, he can ask his authorities to give him a short break, and he can tell them that he will work double, he will work extra. He will take a break of 15 minutes and he will work for 20 minutes. But he does not have the option of offering his prayer after the time is over or before time. And if his organization, if his head or if the authorities, they do not agree with him, then he has no option but to leave the job and to search for another job.